Welcome back to Aside Hot, the senior brother of all the shows when they inside television for Obodo, Africa, and Obodo the world. Now, the chairman television station Wazobia TV on Top Star Times channel 195. And you know, say from 10, go reach 11, don't turn Christmas. Because we they carry all the topic where they come on smoke inside Nigerian political arrangements, drop and down so that you self go chook mouth inside. Oga Chukwote, see? He don't chook mouth for inside the matter, and we don't hear wetin get to talk. Oga Chijoke, see? He don't chook mouth for inside the matter, and we don't get to hear wetin he get to talk. And from all the talk, when all of them don't talk, he dey very, very clear. Say we need more for inside this our Obodo Nigeria, other than waiting, promise, talk, mouth. Mouth during campaign. Talk during campaign. Promise during campaign. Is different from what? Action. Is different from what? Action. And as God don't come catch you now, they don't come give us example of governor when talk say waiting. When in the labor, he say this, that. Now we don't be governor, waiting on the waiting on the see.
Okay, Ibrahim, good morning. Talk to us.
Mr. Nkubi, how una dey now?
We dey fine.
How the work now?
We dey try. Now for our sake.
The point where they raise, but you make my morale high.
Thank
about
you.
the talk where you say how you go be say you go build first class hospital. You go call constant go abroad. Go for your treatment. Go to your first class hospital now. Why don't they like to associate themselves with their people, with the people who will vote them? Now what thing they happen? Mr. Chukudi, you again, we get one point where the last caller, Chukudi, call from Wari, where he make. Where these senators where they make yesterday. There's no fairness in what they were doing, in what they did yesterday. How a senator will come and they will tell him he will just introduce himself and just go. Then the other people, then everybody will be coming. After serving as a senator, he will just come and he will introduce himself. Let them ask him questions. Know what he have. Not that he will just come and you will just go. I mean, also, that one no fairness. Maybe they do something true to God. If una brother come now, that means now so this thing they go, this corruption, they no go fit fight them.
Okay, Ibrahim, God bless you for this point where you carry come. Thank you very, very much. We appreciate the fact, say, all of us for this country, we believe, say, okay, if we want to move this our country forward, we must all join hands to move this our country forward. No sacred cows, no preferential treatment. From Yola, make we come back to Lagos. Collect this call from Oga Kenneth. Oga Kenneth, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga Kenneth.
Good morning, sir.
They greet you, Oga Kenneth.
Yeah, how are they?
They're fine.
Okay. I want to talk about the Senate screening yesterday.
Okay.
I watched the program. At least my hope rise more. Say at least those people where our president appoints. If they match their words with action, I believe say Nigeria go better. I watch the way Kachuku they answer question. That means they answer the question like say that person will know waiting in one and you could do them. Or the way Kemi they answer question too, and the way Lalan they answer question too. I really get hope. Say Nigeria will get better. The only thing why they pray, may God give them the strength and the power and the energy to match their words with action.
And the support as well, though.
And support as well. If they match their words, these are words with action, I believe Nigeria go better. Because I did listen to Channel TV the other day when Olisametu they thought say then discover Kachuku 2 years ago, but they not appoint him. And from what that man talked yesterday, the man thought say he no feel work where transparency no day. And as he enter now, he don't see president we want to give our support for that transparency. And every month he go they make public NNPC account and everything, so that Nigeria go they know what thing they happen. I think with that statement, my mind jump up. Say yes, I believe say if you support these people, they must get it right. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Say very soon now Nigeria go better.
Thank you very much, Oga Kenneth. Thank you for your contribution. And Nigeria go better now. What they seek for. And Chukudi, make we look Kenneth's talk because that waiting with the anticipate. Say, okay, make our leaders give us a sense of hope. Say yes. Say things on they turn around for the good. Going by the screen, we don't see. But we also can raise up this issue of where Oga Chijoke from Misolo talk. Where he talk say, a different. Okay, the fact say. You did very, very intellectually sound and you know your field. Different from when they give you the responsibility
To
make
do.
it fit carry am out the same way make it match with wetin you don drop for head.
True.
Theory and practical na two different worlds.
Very true.
You understand? So me also come look am shey these people right about now with the way they don sound intellectually the materials once they don assign that mantle of power that ministerial position to them shey based on how they talk they go fit balance up because talk dey sweet but make you fit balance am up with the practical part of it.
Very
make
true.
we see say equality dey for both angle
Exactly.
the talk and the practical make it dey balanced.
Exactly.
Make we collect this call from Alfred dey call us from Lagos here. Good morning, Alfred.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you, Nkubi?
I am fine, and you?
I dey. Chukudi, calm down. No, nothing dey spoil. We'll talk about this matter well.
Okay.
Now, the thing with me I want to say be say, I no like the way where they review the confirmation process. I believe say the confirmation process, it no give us opportunity make we know these people very well. These people intellectually they sound, academically then they sound. Them experience it counts also. We know say many of them don't be around for some time. They don't work for public office. They don't do something. But the challenge with me I get be say if to say they put portfolio carry join with their name, we go fit ask them specific question. We go deal with the ministry where they're supposed to be supervise. Now the thing with me are they concerned with that. Some of them they just tell them make them bow, make them come out. Why they no allow us make we ask
Questions.
tailored question? Question will be say if we know say this person now Ministry of Justice in go ahead, we go ask him what you go do to corruption in that ministry. How you go speed up cases where they court? How you go make sure say there is fair judgment for people so that people when they prison for something where they don't do, then go feel release all of them. And the people where supposed they give, then go they there. So make we look, I mean, if this thing, you know, go give us the true picture of waiting these people feel do. Now the only problem with me I get with that, make this confirmation process, I know support them the way that they do them. Make them give them opportunity, make them talk about the ministry where they go there. That now the only thing we go fit make us know say these people feel do this thing. I be they don't go fit do them. Now my own comment today be that.
Oga Alfred, thank you very much for that important contribution. I make we emphasize what Oga Alfred they talk. Oga Alfred they try talk say if we dey get say okay this person go be minister, make them right say okay now this kind work the person go do so that it go dey easy to fit ask them that kind of question.
Directly,
no be say we go dey ask them different kind of. Or can they do guesswork?
Okay, but I get what now talk will happen for us. But make we collect this call from Agbev. Agbev they call us from Kaduna. Oga Agbev, long time.
No,
good morning.
Na for Makurdi, you know the Kaduna.
Makurdi rather.
Yes. How na dey?
We dey fine.
Oga Agbev.
You know say this name wey they bring call again this name is okay, but this what is this first name wey they bring call as wey they say as our big people because the big pastors as they ask the way they put it truth, but no say what is the person mind they different. You know say this our mouth what we take can talk. We pray maybe we take a walk like that. According to what did they say express say they want to walk that. They talk well, yes, our mind very well. They do this thing very well. I like as they spray what you go to, but what my prayer to say, make them work according to what they talk. If they work like that, it's okay. So anybody will say this one, you know the old person, what did they bring? Different for all those. Not to say young person not good to brick like us, to brick come out you, but what we go do that what we go do it will better pass. So as they appoint those people that they're free personal, you know see where personal talk. Personal are great maybe say the Lagos State when he did before he enter, he shaped Lagos State. He said so what it be today. As for private people say personal do like this, personal do Lagos State say so everybody call happy. So I be that if you see enter minister, you go see do more than what he fair do before. Because of fashion, that's what I made this call. That man, I believe that he go men a market today. He go do more than what he fair do before. So that's what I want to be that.
Thank you very, very much, Oga Agbev.
Thank you for that. They talk with very, very big conviction.
Yes.
Talk say even if not just because of the former governor of Lagos State, Babatunde Raji Fashola, say he believes say these people when they there, they must work. and they go do the work.
And now from that Fashola issue, now the thing what we want talk. It gets wetin happen for house yesterday, and going by wetin Alfred talk, we talk say make we know the portfolio so that your question they go just channel them straight to that portfolio where they don't assign you to say you be minister of this. And every question where they come around you, where they throw to you, now you go just revolve around that ministry. Okay, if a typical example now, wetin happened yesterday when they question Oga Fashola, you go see the questions no they directed to a particular source. You go say people just they ask different questions. So if you say if you look at a responsibility way ministries of different types supposed handle.
Thank you.
But you know they channel these questions, bring them from here, 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 throw them to one person to answer. And this person, if you know be specialist in all these things. They say in Oga Fashola talk say yes. Say Lagos so in the Lagosians and in no Lagos where. But if you know Abuja. The way you take the logos. The same thing applies, say, any portfolio they give you, make it be portfolio where you understand well.
Very true.
If they go give you another portfolio, somehow, nobody say no, the person know if you work, but you know if you work compared to when you are waiting, you know well.
Very, very, very true. Maybe we take this call from Oga Ezekiel. Oga Ezekiel, they call us all the way from Just Plateau. Oga Ezekiel, we greet you, sir.
Hello, good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Ezekiel. Will they hear you right on?
Okay. Oga Chukudi, how now?
Are they fine, Oga Ezekiel?
Chukudi, in fact, you did too funny.
Oga Ezekiel, I beg, reduce the volume of your television and fire on.
I beg. Okay.
Continue, we dey hear you.
I beg, this nominee where they talk, This nominee where they talk, All this one are just play they do. All these things they do not just play. Because they are only just deceiving us. Today they will tell us this. Even our president by himself, our president, he himself, they go lobby. Which change are we talking about? Which change are we talking about?
Okay, Ezekiel, you just said to lobby no good.
They are only fooling us.
Okay, Ezekiel.
So please, make una just try, make una do something for this our Bodo Nigeria.
Okay. Okay, Ezekiel, thank you very, very much for that your contribution.
Because it's a mess.
Thank you very much, Oga Ezekiel. We really appreciate them. And we go emphasize, say the reason why we get Acid Hot now so that Niger problem, Niger issues, Niger matter, we go dey discuss them the Niger way. They find solution the Niger way so that all of us inside Bodo Nigeria, we go get peace of mind and rest. Oga Victor, they call us from Zamfara. Oga Victor, good morning, sir.
Chukwu, good morning. Kubi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Victor.
I beg, me, frankly speaking, I did disappointed in this ministerial nominee.
Okay.
Because they tell us, say, it no be business as usual. But we see, say, even the business as usual now don't pass the one where they happened before.
Will they hear you, Oga Victor?
Which kind this thing be this? Person come, they tell him, say, tell him, make it take a bow and go, instead of asking him serious question. Even the one where they ask question, take example, what happened yesterday, all of us will see him. They asked Fashola, is it true that he spent so amount to service internet for Lagos State? Is it true that you spent how many billion in 300 and something million in drilling borehole? Borehole where with hundreds and something thousand naira, you go drill. Instead of him to answer the question, he said he knows the sign check. He has never signed check. So all the bills where he pay for Lagos, how can he pay him? How can he pay him? He said commission has no sign check. He said no, never signed any single check. He can't ask, buy the way they buy for Senate, how did they procure him? In fact, it's a shame. Something that everybody is watching throughout the whole world. Do you understand? Though he indirectly he said that he can spend any amount that he feels like. And by the end of the day, he was cleared. It's a shame anyway. What another disappointment why I get now, what I don't emphasize before. If APC say they are fighting corruption, and when they were in opposition, they dramatize it, that anybody with atom of corrupt practices, whether it has been proven or not, they shun that person and push that person away, as they did to Obanekoro when Obanekoro was screened. They're supposed to replicate it now. They are not replicating it, which means, in fact, let them stop telling us that they're fighting corruption. All they're doing is political witch hunting. Nigerians, we don't enter one chance motto. We don't enter one chance motto. That is the only thing. We're in trouble in this country. But we will continue to talk.
Yes, we will continue to talk, no doubt.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much. Thank you very much, Oga Victor, for that your reaction to waiting play out yesterday. And as usual, with the talker here say, everybody gets in, everybody entitled to talk. Now your opinion be that the same way where every other person don't call. We talk say the something they good. People if you say they averagely good. People talk say you know too good. They're not too they happy with the way the screening they go. All now do is all now to make the country move forward. So thank you very much for that. So Chukwudi, you get what you be raised earlier, and now it has to do with Oga Godswill Akpabio, the former governor of Akwa Ibom, where he talks say when he be governor, say he had them somehow the then minister of petroleum will be Alice Madekwe, say he had them to even see the minister. You understand? He had them to even see the ministers at then. Say like 3 years. You know, even if he say he won't get any conversation or talk with minister. Until say, I don't know whether the minister they avoid them more. And considering the fact that Akwa Ibom are one of the biggest, as a matter of fact, if not the biggest oil producing state for Nigeria. So the reason why he prompted this is say he got one question where he asked Oga Kachukwu. Yes, the way Akwa Ibom asked, say if you become as you be MD or any portfolio they eventually give you, join this one. We get to do with this thing. Say if that time reach, say you know go on behave the same way. Where the minister behave. Because they say because of say this thing, if you don't have to take over one portfolio, you know go on see anybody, we go on follow you talk on issues on how to either develop or maybe issues that happen for that particular region where they produce something from. So you can't ask them that question. And then it's a good thing say at least they open up. As a good thing say at least we they see reactions. But then there should be a cordial relationship between the government collectively. These are states where we say that they produce something. These are people where we say they run them nationally. Then, but for you to make sure say things go well, at least you go get interaction with the owners of the thing.
Very true.
No matter what, they are the owners. Now their land is there.
Very true.
And now their interest to protect them.
Very
at least so that if there are developments, there are challenges. Now if you rub mind, talk about them.
Exactly. It's very important how they emphasize say our ministers supposed they accessible.
Of course.
In the sense, we know say
not the portfolio they don't go live there for the rest of their life.
Exactly. And most times we always it come like say if they talk now people go talk say Oga Presido ministers. Presido Buhari ministers. The ministers when Oga Presido Buhari carry put. Oga Presido based on say our constitution give am the power to sit down for that chair as we don't vote am inside to select people wey be say him go work with to move this our country forward. It's very important make we emphasize say now we get the power, we the people when we say that they represent, now we get the power. So our ministers they accountable to the government when we say that they serve inside and most especially to the people. Obviously. Because now we suppose benefit from everything. See, as people they call, they talk, say, with the way when things they go now, with the way they take answer questions, they show say, okay, these are our ministers. They sabi the book when they go read. As they take concern, say, okay, make person go get education. And if then they're there, based on say our Oga President, a man of action and integrity, Nigeria go better. We don't get hope. We don't want minister when we say, na him go come we
just be like
we go dey write letter before we see am.
Yoruba people dey call am be oba or idun.
Exactly, like some of the governors when we say.
Hey. We'll go for break.
Allow me talk the talk.
Why they point me? Some of the governors wey.
So I don't be doing that. Welcome back to As the Hot. As we did so now the final bus stop, then we dey look. And just as we don't do since we start on Monday this week, based on saying a ministerial screening, now they carry first for news for inside Obodo Nigeria. As everybody for Nigeria sit down, they watch, say, we want the very best to work with Oga Presido to move this our own country forward. We see they discuss day 3. Today supposed to be the day 3, and from what happened on day 1 and day 2, we suppose get Oga Wahab Shitu, wey be barrister, and Chibuike Rotimi Amechi. Two of them suppose complete the first batch of people wey we say Oga Presido send. But the breaking news when we get now say, based on say the committee under the leadership of Sam Anyanwu talk say they need more time to check all the petition when they submit against Governor Chibuike Rotimi Amechi. Oga Rotimi Amechi go come answer all in questions next week Tuesday. And as e dey now, 18 of the people wey we say Oga Presido first send, they don't confirm them. So from now, Oga Presido fit give them any office to sit down on top and move this our country forward.
Well, as the first phase of the list don't almost finish, as a matter of fact, it don't finish. Only like 1 or 2 names that remain, which means the Senate will expect maybe at least them continue today. From the second list where Oga Presido don't send, at least maybe they start to screen people from there as well. Because as long as Oga Presido don't do it, don't send names. Make we see at least make we beef up the action, make sure say we screen these people so they will fit take up their job to move the country forward. Oga Clifford, good morning, all the way from Lagos. Down here in Lagos.
Good morning, my brother.
Good morning, Oga Clifford.
How are you doing?
We dey fine,
Oga Clifford.
I dey give 2 of you.
With the answer, Oga Clifford.
Okay, please, I want to talk about this whole matter,
Okay.
My problem now is say, no, Obasanjo is a problem of Nigeria, Obasanjo.
How Obasanjo take relate with screen of ministers?
The ministers himself, now he dey inside that minister.
Now he do wetin?
The minister matter where they didn't know about it. Because he don't rule this country before. I think I vote for him. I think say for change Nigeria, he know if he do am. And every government where they, he go dey inside that government. He want to live in that sorrow forever. He go dey then get follow Buhari here. Now see then get other ones. He don't come again. They said they don't want anybody where they have problem. Make to become minister before. How they go? Now be PDP chairman. Who be the first petroleum something issue? Who be the chairman before? Who create them? Look at all the names where the people with the dog say they get problem. Now they carry come. And again, Nigeria needs peace. The other day, talk about Biafra saying a terrorist. You know, suppose all that country for Nigeria, we get problem now.
Oga Clifford.
Yes?
Oga Clifford, we don't hear your own reaction. And then one, thank you very much for your contribution. At least now your own view, and then that's what we will also hold. But in as much as we dey do it, we dey talk, say we get access to talk. Freedom of speech don't give us the license to talk. We also need to tell ourselves, say, yes, before you go even talk anything, make sure say you hold the fact for hand. That one is very, very primary. Before you go say yes, see what this person talk. That one is very, very important. And for our country to also move forward, we go also the urge, say at least, make we talk something that will bring peace and unity for the country. Oga Cornell, all the way from Warri, good morning. Cornell, good morning. Oga Cornell, you did there? Blood, we don't lose that one.
You don't lose Oga Cornell. The beauty of democracy now say freedom of expression day and the rules not too strong. Say by force. You go follow process. Oga Clifford talk up the way when the team pay now for body. Just as plenty Nigerians always they talk say if we want talk the truth, now some people don't spoil this our country. But it's very, very important we point out say for this our country, people they talk say we be 160 million. Oga Clifford just mentioned one person. Whether you like him or not, if you come out one person from 160 million people, no matter as the person take get muscle reach, he no fit do pass all of us. So as Nkubi don't talk. Now when we join our hand together, now in unity, we go fit move this our country forward.
Yes.
One person no dey push trailer. Nkubi, you know now because if like you push am those days. One person no dey push trailer. We go need 2, 3, 4, 5 more people to push am, and if they get technique when they use the push am so that the thing go.
No, give me one of the technique. So they describe it, they get technique. Give me. See you ever say if you push am. Give me one of the technique.
This thing dey simple, elementary science. We get wetin they call.
Oga Cornell, they call us back.
Elementary science. Not let me lecture you.
No lecture.
I go begin my minister.
Make we collect call from Oga Cornell though. Not Cornell in B. Good morning, Oga Cornel.
Yeah, good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Good morning.
Chukudi.
Oga Cornel, we dey hear you.
How far?
Why they fine?
What did I want to talk to you? Because people, a lot of the time, people go they talk about this change. Buhari now be the symbol of change. And Buhari don't sit down there, so now be the change. So forget about anybody when they bring, whether this person the year before, I be not the year before, I be the one place. Change don't come, it don't come, now be the matter. If, for example, before, when Jonathan Goodluck, they just carry only Jonathan Goodluck come up, put Buhari enter, and change be that. You understand me? And this Amechi matter. People don't call Amechi name Sote. I don't know what Amechi do them. Amechi is part of the symbol of change. Amechi was the Director General for change, for the campaign for change. So there's nothing you want to do without the Amechi go there inside. Whether you like it or not, the man is for change. You understand me now? Whether I don't the year before, I don't the year before. Change not change. The man don't change. He don't change for physical, he don't change for spiritual. So change don't come. So make everybody forget about all those Amechi. Amechi one is my hero. Me when they talk here, so Amechi is my hero because he fight when Amechi fight for this change. Not be you all the people that way they talk against us is no one of them. If fight that can fight 1 inch. You will call the fight sitting president. You say you come out from one corner, from one hole, from one corner here. They tell me say, why you go put Amechi? Amechi not be the pattern for change. I be not be change. And so you get liver to take you change. Now when you get liver, let her make it be changed. That's what I see. I issue, my brother.
In fact,
thank you very much.
Thank you very much. You don't ginger the spirit of change on this program. From Oga Samuel, make we do it. Make we go straight to Yola. We'll collect this call from Oga Samuel. Good morning, Oga Samuel. Samuel, good morning. Oga Samuel, you did there?
If like say we don't lose the call from Oga Samuel.
If you listen to it, Oga Cornell talk, he just be like this prover will talk.
Wait, why you talk if you listen to you be minister? If you listen to
I mean, I never can tell. I might probably be an aspiring minister.
Aspiring waiting.
One day I feel just.
You think to be minister and to be class captain?
It don't do you. It don't do you.
If you want talk.
It don't do you. What do I talk? We say yes. Oga Cornell talk say Buhari na be the symbol of change, and they talk out for here say fish where they spoil they start from the head, and as long as Oga Buhari don't dey there. Every other part of the system will do.
Why you dey use fish? Why you dey use fish? Do example.
Because I don't say you like fish.
Why you no use salad?
Well, meanwhile, our viewers, we get one ogbonge thing we want offer now, and I don't know whether I don't hear of them. Hashtag November 10. Chukudi, if you never hear them, we could show them. Hashtag November 10. For our viewers who they watch us, this day now a special day for us, and I know say the world at large they even look out for this day because something will be ogbonge, that is ogbonge thing will happen on this day, and for you to also be a part of this hashtag November 10, all you need to do is do it carry your biro, carry your computer, go do it, go type hashtag November 10, send that to our social media site, and make we follow you, and make that also be in mind say the ogbonge gift plenty down for now to do it to win. We get a recharge card from 2,000 naira to 5,000. We also get iPad, iPhone, different type of ogbonge this thing gift for now. That is if they eventually select your name as part of the winners. Yes, so Siam, make now take pictures with the November 10. Make now send that to our own social media, our Facebook page. Make now send that there straight up. May I no waste time. Thank you very much. Chukudi, November 10.
It be November 10. Now, anywhere when they win free things,
November.
Anywhere when they win free things, now you they like November 10. I recharge. Is it recharge card? Is it recharge card that is the problem? iPad, iPhone. November 10. We know say November 10 a very important number. So you can hashtag November 10. Awoof. Our people wait there for us until we come back again tomorrow to discuss all of the action to the way happen for this week. Una don't watch the Ogbonge television station. The Ogbonge program will be anything politics. As it hot. We no go anywhere. Una bye. Awoof. Hashtag November 10.
But
hashtag
now
November
you
10.
to talk about this thing.
Which one be you? Awoof. Hashtag November
10. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.